Hi everyone, welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy, delicious Hawaiian pizza. First, I'm going to unwrap my homemade dough that I made a couple days prior. I had this in my fridge, so I left it out for it to come to room temperature. There's a video for this homemade pizza dough on the channel already, so I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. Of course, if you prefer to use store-bought, that's completely fine. I'm just going to dust a little bit of flour onto my hands to make it easier for me to manipulate the dough, and I'm going to start to spread it a little bit before I place it on my pizza tray and finish spreading it. Just spread your dough whichever way is easiest for you, alright? This is a 12-inch pizza, by the way, so the dough recipe here that I'm using makes a perfect 12-inch pizza. Next, I'm going to add my homemade pizza sauce. Recipes also on the channel, which will be linked as well, or just use your favorite store-bought one. I'm going to sprinkle on some homemade cheese. Just kidding, this is freshly grated mozzarella cheese. It melts a lot better than the pre-shredded one. And this is about a cup and a half. Use as little or as much cheese as you like, and that's the good thing about homemade pizza. You can customize it however you want. Then I'm going to top my pizza with some leftover ham from my glazed ham recipe and the pineapple slices that I use to dress the ham. I know onions don't typically go on Hawaiian pizza, but I'm going to add a little bit for some extra flavor. And right before I put it in the oven, I'm going to brush the edges with some olive oil. Then into my preheated oven it goes, and I'm going to bake this at 450 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And here we have our delicious homemade Hawaiian pizza. This is another great way to use up your leftover ham, and you can check out this steamed cabbage with ham video, which I show you another great way how to use up your leftover ham. I also have some other pizza recipes here on the channel. I'll leave them right here so you guys can check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my other social media. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.